Okay, the second half. Again, this is module 2, case problem 2, step number 13. We're working on starting step number 13. That will be page EX31, I'm sorry, EX68, EX68. Okay, step number 13. So we're gonna work on this area. Okay, we're gonna color A5C5 to green and white font. Okay, so green background and white font size. Then next, A6C6 light green color background, light green. Now A7C7 yellow to the background, A8 to C8 orange to the background, A9 C9 red white font, red background, white font. Then the last one, A10 through C10, black background, white font. Just like that. So that's basically what we're going to apply to following area. Okay. So now step number 14. So including this area, we're going to highlight only those waiting time numbers so that we can color them based on the criteria. So in order to enter conditional formatting, make sure you're in Home tab, go to Conditional Formatting, and because you're going to have to enter multiple times, I think you can work with Manage Rules, or you can start from one of these, but again, because you're going to enter multiple times, I'm going to just go ahead and click Manage Rules so that I can enter following rules, just like that. Go to the second choice, then you'll work with one number, one cell, based on the condition. First condition is less than, so you locate the less than calculation here, then less than 22. So what color you're going to show as, that you're going to click Format, and font of the color will be white. So white is right there, and fill, which is background color, will be green. This is green, right? Yeah. And there you go. So that's the first condition we have. Second condition, I'm going to keep adding it by clicking New Rule. But this will be greater than 90. So I'm going to locate greater than calculation. 90. The color, we're going to show black, fill, white font. Black, fill, white font. Just like that. Next one. So we're going to highlight values between 22 and 34. Between 22 and 34. How are you going to format? With light green fill. Light green. Next, 3460. And what kind of color? Yellow fill. Oops, I just exit out of that conditional formatting. But, it's work. As you can see, it's in progress. So I'm going to go back, manage rule, new rule. Next condition, we have 60 and 78. Between 60 and 78, the color will be orange. Next one, which is last one, 78, 90. 78 and 90. Color, red field, Wi-Fi. Just like that. Then I'm going to click apply to finish this. So that's exactly what you're going to have in the main data we have. So darker the worse, darker the higher the number, and meaning that you have a higher waiting time, which is bad in this case. But anyway, let's go to step number 15. Cell 41, A41. We're on type notes. Then we're going to apply TechMaster's subtitle cell style. Subtitles style is right there. Then we're going to work on the following area, A42H50. And in the following area, we're going to enter some comments. But we're going to format a little bit, top and left. Actually, merge first, then top align, left align, turn on wrap text, then add a thick outside border, and we're going to fill the color with blue accent 6. Blue accent 6. Like that. Okay, step number 16. There we're gonna provide a conclusion of the finding from the waiting time that we color. So depending on what you have based on the average number here, average waiting time is 44 seconds, which is acceptable, right? Same thing, average time for weekdays, acceptable. Average wait time for weekends are acceptable based on the average, right? However, there's some few times are not acceptable, right? Those red is very close, but those especially black times are not acceptable time. So that's why we're going to enter there in terms of notes. So average wait time for all days are acceptable. And the same goes for the weekdays and weekends. However, there are few times are not acceptable. So that's how you're going to display and describe and enter which times on which day are not acceptable. Okay, so that will accomplish step number 16. Okay, step number 17, indent your comments. So to indent, you just increase the indent right here. Okay. Step number 18, change the tab color of the documentation sheets tab. So this is what I'm trying to do. Click documentation, right here, tab color. So you can change the tab color by applying whatever color you like. And step number 19. 19 is about printing those pages. Okay, so I'm going to go back to wait times. In terms of printing, we're going to go ahead and click page layout. And it says fit into single page in portrait. So portrait is under orientation. And we're going to put it into one page in width and height. So that everything will be fit into single page. So 19, that was 19A. Now 19B, center everything into horizontal or vertical. So that should be under margins. So I'm going to click page setup so that I can bring it up margins right here, horizontally, vertically center. And then we're going to enter something on the header. So I'm going to bring it up header. The right section, prepared by. I think you should have entered something, but here we go. You enter your name, then followed by date. And footer. In the footer, you're going to enter the whatever instruction says. Okay. So I think that basically covers module 2, case 2. So if you have any questions, let me know.